Just, and I understand that this may not apply to you, but just ask any average Muslim, even sometimes learned people who actually sit on my place and deliver speeches, to say that kalima or the meaning of that kalima in English. The most common, and subhanAllah, you will find it also in some of the books of tafsir, the most common translation of this kalima in the books is there is no God but Allah. Is that the right translation for that kalima? Absolutely not. Because in reality, in action, there are other gods. Yeah, you don't believe that. You don't believe them. You don't believe in them. But there are people who worship Jesus. There are people who worship the sun, worship the cow, worship the moon. So there are other gods in existence. So when you make that statement, there is no God but Allah, this is a very passive statement. What are you supposed to say? There is no one worthy or no deity worthy of my worship except who? And this is the translation of the Arabic version of the kalima. They tell you in the Arabic version there is a word missing. What is the word? لا معبود بحق إلا الله. No one has the right to be worshipped except who? Except Allah. No one. Why? Simple. Because of His Lordship. When I say Lordship, what do I mean by that? Creation. He created. Not only that, He takes care of His creation. Allahu khaliqu kulli shay wa huwa ala kulli shay'in wakil. He takes care of the creation. He administers that creation. Subhana. He provides for it. Subhana. He gives life, causes death. He will raise me up on the day of judgment. That is why the scholars have a very famous statement that you should memorize. توحيد الربوبية يستلزم or يستوجب توحيد الألوهية. You believing in Allah's Lordship necessitate you singling Him out in worship. That's what it means. If you believe He's the one who created you, the one who provides for you, the one who takes care of you, then it doesn't make any sense to go and worship someone else beside Him.